Hello and welcome to the Christmas Stampathon 2021 challenge, and for this month we are setting the challenge to make tags with a tree theme, so fairly simple. I've gone ahead and cut out all my bits and pieces. I'll be using some designer series paper from Beauty of the Earth and some wood grain from In Good Taste, as well as the stamp set Beauty of Friendship, and my colour theme is going to be Misty Moonlight. I've already gone ahead and cut out 10 tags. This is just what I managed to get out of an A4 sheet of card. I cut it down the middle at 10.5 centimetres and then just cut at every 2 inches after that, so that in my head it would cut out on a tiger punch, but I didn't end up doing that in the end. So basically I'm going to leave you to watch this, but just telling you the gist of what I'm doing here. For each tag I had the similar theme of using up the papers, incorporating a tree and using that snowflake mask and the blending brush to create a background. So they're all slightly different, and it's just quite nice and fun to work with a different size project and just to go with a bit of a collage theme throughout all of the tags. So I'll leave you to enjoy the rest and I'll catch up with you nearer the end. decided to add some of these pretty iridescent snowflakes to each of the tags just to give some more detail to the collage effect. And I'm just going to snip these down, and then I just use the leftover offcut to add on to another piece, another tag. And so each of the tags feature a small bit of this snowflake. So just tapping on some of the wet glue and attaching it and cutting down the offcuts. Then grabbing in my trio tag punch and just rounding off some of the corners. I'm rounding off any corners that don't have any delicate pieces of the snowflake. So for some I did both bottom corners, and some I just did opposite corners, just depending on the individual tag. And then punched a hole in the centre, and you can use, there's a little line in the centre of the punch to help you line up the centre. Then bringing in these holiday gems and using the blues from that, and also some of the basic gems just to add a bit of sparkle to each of the tags even. So to finish these tags off, I used the metallic mesh ribbon and some baker's twine that I had, which I think might have been Night of Navy colour, as it came in a duo pack, and this silver cord to tie off the ribbons and to just complete the look. And that just helps to incorporate all the colours. So here are all my 10 tags, giving you a quick look through all of them individually. I like the way that they all come together. They've got the same sort of look, but they are all individual and all different. So just something a bit different with the wood grain and the blues and the snowflakes, but also incorporating the trees as well. So I hope you enjoyed this month's challenge. Please do check it out over on Facebook at the Christmas Stampathon 2021, and you have to use some Stampin' Up products in your projects, please. So thank you very much for watching along, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Do show me by giving me a thumbs up, and you can comment below. Don't forget you can subscribe to my channel. If you hit the all with the bell, then you get notifications of all videos and lives as well.